Okay, today we're going to be opening this jigsaw from TECCPO. As you can see, it's still in its wrapping, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. Let's open it up. So this is nice. Comes with this toolbox, just like that. Little flimsy material, but not bad. Definitely protect it. Just pop it up. Look at that. Still in this packaging. Go ahead and take this plastic off. There's the tool. We've got this leveler just to make sure. You just slide it in like that. For cutting on wood, kind of like this. Makes it go straight. Then we've got this. And this slides in just like that, and that's for the sand, you know, sand dust or wood dust, whatever you're cutting. Metal dust, same difference. And so yeah, that's it. We should have some, here we go, here they are. They're in here, different kind of saws. Looks like we got wood, we got metal, wood, got a tinier one here. That's for metal and wood. So there you are. Pretty heavy duty, feels good. Should be good quality. Yep.